So in the previous video we discussed about bases, chemical properties of acids and chemical properties of bases, and also the physical properties of bases. So we also discussed about the indicators and the types of indicator, which is universal indicator. Now we'll be discussing the second type, which is natural indicator. Natural indicators are indicators which are obtained naturally from plants, animals, etc. So the first type example of indicator is litmus paper. As we discussed earlier, it turns in red color in acidic. Blue litmus turns red in color in acidic solution, and red litmus turns blue in basic medium. So these are the litmus papers. They are obtained from a symbiotic organism named lichens. So it is named after it. So litmus paper. Next we are going to discuss about the turmeric powder. Turmeric powder contains an active ingredient known as curcumin. So this curcumin helps the litmus to helps us to find if a solution is acidic or basic. It turns red in basic medium, and there's no color change in acidic solution. Next, another type of natural indicator, example of natural indicator is China rose. It is light pink in color. It is obtained in light pink in color. So it turns dark pink in acidic solution and green in basic solution. The third type of indicator we are going to see is laboratory indicator. So after a universal indicator and natural indicator, the third type is laboratory indicator. So this type of indicator we can they are obtained from laboratories or made in laboratories. So it is man-made in nature. So the two examples are phenolphthalein and methyl orange. There are many, but I mentioned two of them. So phenolphthalein is colorless in nature, but it turns pink in basic solutions and no color in acidic solution. And methyl orange is another type of indicator, which is orange in color. When dissolved in acidic solution, it gives red or pink in color, and in basic solution it is yellow. So next is the fourth type of indicator is olfactory indicators. These indicators are indicators which change color. So till now we saw about the color, so now it changes in smell. So this is the fourth type of indicator. It loses its smell when mixed in acidic or basic solution. So this is not visual, it is olfactory. So this is called as olfactory indicators. Olfactory is an organ present in the nose which helps us to smell, so it is also called as olfactory indicators. Example is onion extract, clove oil, vanilla extract. So they do not change any smell when added to acidic medium, but the smell goes off when dissolved in a basic medium. So these are the different types of indicators which we have seen now. So next we are going to see about the uses of acids. So acids are used in many mediums, and mainly few acids are also edible in nature. So as we discussed the few sources of acids in the earlier first part of the video, we are going to also see some other uses of it. So citric acid is found in citrus fruits, as earlier we have discussed, and it is also a good source of vitamin C. Vitamin C is also known as ascorbic acid. So citrus fruits contain two types of acids, that is citric acid and ascorbic acid. Next is acetic acid. It is found in vinegar, and it's used as a preservative. We can also use sugar etc. as a preservative, but it's not an acid. And after that, hydrochloric acid, though it is corrosive in nature, it is also used to clean the metals before they are coated with zinc. So this process is called galvanization, which we'll be discussing in chapter 2. So this process is called galvanization to prevent the chemical reactions that take place. So it is also used for cleaning. HCl is used in making aqua regia, as we discussed earlier. It contains HNO3 and HCl, which is called as aqua regia, which can dissolve gold and silver. It is also used to corrode silver and strong silver and gold, so it is present in that. Sulfuric acid is also used in batteries, chemical batteries such as AA battery, etc. Next, though acids are useful in nature, they are also harmful in nature. As we saw in the earlier video, we saw that acids are corrosive in nature, so they damage the crops. When we learnt about acid rain, which combines with the rainwater to make it acid rain. So this damages the crops and increases the acidity of the soil, which in turn damages the crops, and it corrodes the monuments or buildings such as Taj Mahal. Then it causes skin infections, diseases when it gets in contact with human skins, etc. And due to this acid rain's corrosiveness, when they mix with the aquatic waters, they kill or affects the life in the aquatic region. So to reduce these damages or harmful effects, we use a process named as neutralization, which is one of the properties of acids and bases. So here we can see it neutralizes the bases in the acids or acids in the bases to form salt and water. So when a particular object is acidic, we can use a base, and when it's basic, we can use an acid. So HCl plus NaOH gives NaCl plus H2O, and H2SO4 plus KOH, which is acidic and basic, gives K2SO4, which is a salt, and water. So next we'll be learning about the importance of neutralization in reducing the harmful effects of acid rain and other effects of acids and bases in part 4. Thank you.